North Carolina Trailer Sales has a wide variety of enclosed trailers. We carry Freedom, Synergy, South Georgia, and Continental Cargo. They also come in a variety of colors, like the standard black and white. But also include a two-tone like this and this. Or you can get a silver frost or charcoal. We also have enclosed car haulers up to 24 foot long. We carry various models and sizes of cargo trailers ranging from 5x8 up to 8.5 by 24. We stock basic, medium duty, and commercial grade cargo trailers. Double rear doors, single swing doors, and spring assisted ramp doors are all part of our stocking inventory. Let our service department customize your trailer with motorcycle wheel chocks, D-rings, E-track, ladder racks, and much more. If you need a custom trailer or a concession trailer, our special order expert is here to help. For any information on enclosed trailers, just call 336-663-2214. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.